see how can we do this. This is based on the De Morgan's theorem, right? So this one is the De Morgan's theorem. Suppose if we'll solve this one, then it would be a bar plus b bar plus a bar plus ab as it is, correct? Then after that, we'll have a bar plus a bar. A bar plus a bar is how much? That is a bar only, correct? As I told you, a plus a is a. Similarly, a bar plus a bar is also a bar, right? Then no, a plus a is not 0, a plus a is not 1, a plus a is a only. You can check it out from your solution. Then a bar will, then after that we'll left with a bar plus b bar plus ab and the bar, right? Now bar and bar would be cancelled. Now try to solve it by your own, then I'll tell you.